Hi friends, welcome to Life Yantra channel. Today we are going to make my take of a classic Italian dessert, which is Panna Cotta. Panna Cotta in Italian literally translates to cooked cream. It's super simple, very delicious, and it doesn't need a lot of ingredients. Now let's straight go into the ingredients list. We need about 1 tablespoon of gelatin. Now if you don't have gelatin, you can use agar, but you need to adjust the measurements. For every 1 tablespoon of gelatin, you need to use 1/8 tablespoon of agar. About 1 mango puree, it comes about 1 cup. 1/3 cup of sugar. Now I'm going to do this as a sugar-free version, so I have used a special sugar called monk fruit sugar. It has 0 calories and it's super yummy. It's twice as sweet as a regular sugar. Vanilla essence, 1 cup coconut milk, 1 cup heavy cream, and small molds or ramekins where we're gonna chill the panna cotta. Now let's see how to make this dessert. Now heat a kadai or a saucepan at a low heat or a simmer. All this entire recipe we're gonna do it in simmer heat, or we are gonna burn any of those ingredients, so it's gonna be done in low heat. Now take the heavy cream. Once this comes to a bit of a boil, we're going to add the coconut milk. Now my cream has come to a boil. I'm going to add in the coconut milk. And about 2/3 of the monk fruit sugar. I'm going to reserve the remaining to make a mango sauce to go with the panna cotta. So we stir this until everything gets dissolved. Now the sugar has been dissolved, and I'm going to add vanilla essence, about 1 teaspoon. And I'm going to add the gelatin, which has been soaking in water. I'm going to drain it and add it inside and wait for it to dissolve. Stir for about 2 minutes, and then let's add the mango puree. Now my gelatin strips have been dissolved and it's come to a boil. I'm going to add the mango puree. Again, I'm going to add about 90% of the mango puree. I'm going to reserve a little bit for the mango sauce. Stir vigorously until it gets dissolved. Now my mango has been dissolved. Now we are going to keep stirring until it reduces and thickens a little bit, and then we are going to transfer the contents into the ramekin mold. Now our mix has thickened a little bit. I'm going to switch off the burner and let it cool for about 5 minutes, and then we are going to transfer it into the mold and chill it in the fridge for about 12 hours. Now our panna cotta has been cooling for about 5-10 minutes. It's time to transfer these into the small ramekin or molds. I'm using silicone mold which can withstand high temperature. You can also use any kind of small utensils to cool this in the fridge overnight. Now our panna cotta is filled in the molds and sitting in the fridge. Let's see how to make the mango sauce. Ingredients required to make the mango sauce are about 1/3 cup of water, the remaining mango puree, about 3 tablespoons of sugar, and a few drops of vanilla essence. Now let's heat up a kadai or a saucepan and pour the water inside it and caramelize the sugar. Keep stirring. Make sure there are no lumps and it's completely dissolved. Now the sugar is completely dissolved. I'm going to add few drops of vanilla essence. And then our remaining mango puree. Dissolve completely. Keep stirring continuously until it gets dissolved. Now the mango puree is completely dissolved and our mango sauce is ready. Once the panna cotta is chilled for 12 hours, we will assemble it together. Now our panna cotta is chilled in the fridge for about 12 hours. It's time to plate it.